You've uploaded 2 to 3 videos and it all ended up in 0 views, no click at all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0 view problem using SEO strategies. Watch to the end because I'll be showing you 2 main tools you need to use without cracking your brain or making much of keyword research. The problem is that YouTube algorithm doesn't know when to push your video, who to send your video to, and why people should click. So without wasting time, let's head on to our YouTube right now. Let me show you how it works.
So first up, I'm on my Chrome browser and my account is on incognito mode to avoid unbiased in the search, and then I will head on to youtube.com and I'll first put in my query: how to fix Stripe account payment issues, and then I will search, and you can see that immediately after these ads I rank first. This ads actually is sponsored by Google, so definitely to be in front. But you see, this my video rank first, and this video is not as if I have views much more than other people, but because of the power of SEO, you can see that this guy here has 7.7k views, but I still rank first, and this one here has 1.6k views. I still rank first, and you can see that. So I'm going to search for another keyword so you can see, to avoid unbiasedness. Let's say I'm looking out for how to write article on Medium using ChatGPT. I will now search how to write article using ChatGPT on Medium. I will now search. The first person here is Nicholas Cole. After this ads, look at him, Nicholas Cole, after the ads, and then scrolling down, you see I still pop up here despite having 84 views. I still pop up due to my SEO work, and then scrolling down again, you see that 2 of my videos consecutively followed each other and pop up. You can see that. So it is through the power of SEO I was able to achieve this result. So, and let me test the last one. Let's say I'm searching for get paid testing apps, websites and products. And then when I enter in my query, you see that 2 of my video pop up here, but this is an ads. 2 of my video pops up here despite having low views. So you can see that SEO has actually helped me to rank on Google. And how do I achieve this? And you can see this, another of my video that popped up here. This video I made it 2 months ago. It still pop up here. So SEO has actually made me to rank. And how do I achieve this result? If you're able to do this, you'll be able to beat 0 views because searches will be coming to your video. Imagine somebody goes to YouTube and input some queries or input some keywords, and then your video popped up. The person will definitely click your video first and then watch for some time, and if the video is relevant, the person keep watching, and that's how YouTube will start trusting your channel, start building trust, you start getting views through searches. So first off, I'll head on to my YouTube studio where I'll be able to show you what you actually need to do. So currently this is a YouTube studio, and let's say you make your video and you want to upload your video. The first thing normal persons will do is to come down to create and then click upload video, and then when you select file, you are going to upload your videos. But what I want to show you today is quite different. So as a beginner, the first thing you need to do is that after making your video, exporting it from CapCut, you look at the video title. CapCut gives it a title, so definitely you are going to be changing this title. When it comes to SEO, there are things you look out for. You look out for the title, you look out for the description, and you look out for the thumbnail. These are what makes you to stand out. So and that's what I'm going to show you. It's already what you know, but watch to the end because I'll be using 2 AI to improve on my SEO. And the good thing is that these AI, they are free. So for me to fix this my title, let's say I want to make a video on how to fix 0 view. So first I will go to YouTube and type how to fix 0. Now the moment I put this, YouTube gives me some suggestion how to fix 0 view on YouTube, how to fix 0 view on TikTok, how to fix 0 view problem on short. So it definitely means that how to fix 0 view on YouTube is what people are searching the most. So this will be the perfect title for my video. So I will just click this and copy it, and then head on over to my export and rename my video. So I'll rename my video, and then my video will now carry that. Then another thing I'll look out for again is my thumbnail, though I'm coming to that. Now let's head on to where I will have to upload my video. So I'll click on file, and then click on my video, and then upload. So we wait a while. Oh, now my video has been uploaded, and then I will need to put in some relevant details. This is where it gets crazy. Now this is how to fix 0 views on YouTube. I wouldn't just leave my topic like that. I will now have to niche down for beginner step by step guide. Now I've gotten my video. The next thing I'll need to do here is my description, but this time around I'm going to be using AI to do this. But before this description, let me jump down to the thumbnail. Now this video doesn't really have thumbnail because it's in a short format, but thumbnail is very, very important. And how do you fix your thumbnail? Because thumbnail contribute to part of the SEO. So if you're uploading a long form video, definitely you are going to impute your thumbnail. So what I'll be doing is that I'll look at this creator that rank first here, which is Dan the creator. I will now try to mimic what he has done so special about his video. You can see he has 0 views, bold, glitch, and an arrow pointing down. So I'll try to mimic him and then do something similar. It may not be exactly, but I will just have to do something similar. So I'll head on over to my Canva, and then I did something similar. You can see I have 0 views and mine is fix it. Why his own, but the 0 views, which is a keyword here, is very, very important. So I have to put it on my thumbnail. And then when designing your thumbnail, make sure that you don't over flood your thumbnail with a lot of text. Just use 2 to 3, at most a maximum of 4 text, and let them be legible enough. So this is the secret Dan creator have used in his video. You can see in his thumbnail, and that's what I'm trying to mimic. So from there I will now export this my thumbnail, and that's how I've settled my thumbnail. That's what you should do. So you mimic the thumbnail of those ranking first, and you try to copy exactly like them. So that's that for the thumbnail. And the next thing I will need to do after thumbnail is my description. So I'll have to write description. Here I'm going to use AI tools that will help me do the description. So I'll go to these AI tools. I'll first of all go to Google and search YouTube description generator. YouTube description generator. Now I have a lot of search, but here I'm going to be using these free AI tools called Ahrefs. So I'll click on that, and then I will now go to my dashboard and copy this title and then give it to that YouTube description generator is going to help me generate an SEO friendly title that will help me to rank. So while the generator is trying to verify, the next it will build my tag. Now this YouTube video description generator has generated some SEO friendly video description for me. You can see this. Are you struggling with 0 views on YouTube videos? This comprehensive step-by-step guide will work you. So this is an SEO. You just copy one of them. Let's say I'm good with this. Are you a new YouTuber facing the challenge of 0 views on your YouTube? I think I can go with this. I will have to copy this description and then head on over to my video and then put the description here. Then the next thing I will need to do is definitely you are going to select playlist, but this particular channel there's no playlist on it. And then the next thing is my tags. Now I will have to use a friendly AI that will generate tags for me. I will now go to YouTube tags generator. And then I have a lot of tags generator here, but I prefer using this Toon Pocket because it makes my work very easy. So I'll check out this boss. So while this is going on, I will now copy my title from here and then put it in that box here. So I'll enter your video topic here. So I'll put my topic here and click generate. So my tags is being generated. You can see my tags are generated. How to fix 0 view, beginner guide, beginner YouTube guide, YouTube for beginner, increase views, YouTube growth strategy, YouTube engagement. You can see that these are SEO optimized tags for my video. All I will need to do here is to click on copy, and then I'll head on over to my tag section down here and then put my tags. And when I've done that, that's just all. I'll click on next, and then you can add other related videos, other elements. Make sure your video pass this check, and then make sure your visibility is on public so that you can now publish it. I've heard a lot of persons saying you can put it on private. It doesn't really matter. The thing there is that you do your SEO work very well. So in recaps, we've seen how we got our title using our keyword research on Google, and then you also see how we generated our description. Then the thumbnail, because this is a short form video, it doesn't require thumbnail, but this is how you create your thumbnail. You definitely going to mimic the person that is ranking first, and here we have down the creator. I don't want to put my cursor so close so that I will not be charged for copyright. And then you can see how I did that on my Canva already. So this is how to rank on Google through SEO using these AI tools that will ease your work for you.
In my next video, I'm going to show you how to increase your impression so that people will start seeing your video often, and this time around you will be the one to direct the algorithm. So if you are new to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button, and for my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Have a lovely day.